Hello, friends and students. Good morning. I, Dheeraj Saini, welcome again you to your own YouTube channel, Universal Institute of Electronics and Communications, Rohtak. Today we will discuss another part of the computer, RAM. As I explained about the microprocessor in previous video, today I am going to explain RAM in detail. So let's get started. Random access memory RAM is a type of computer memory that is used to store data that is being actively used or processed by the computer's operating system and applications. RAM is a critical component for the performance of any computer system because it provides space for the CPU to read and write data that it needs quickly without having to access the slower storage drive. Key characteristics of RAM. Number 1, volatility. RAM is a volatile memory, meaning it loses all its stored data when the power is turned off. Number 2, RAM is much faster than traditional storage devices like hard drives or SSDs. Number 3, random access. Data can be read or written in any order, which allows for rapid retrieval of information. Now, I tell you work of RAM. How RAM works. Number 1, initialization. When you power on your computer, the operating system is loaded from the hard drive or SSDs into the RAM is much faster and it allows the system to run more efficiently. Number 2, data storage and retrieval. RAM stores data that is currently being used or processed. For example, when you open a program, it is loaded into RAM, so CPU can access it quickly. Memory cells. RAM is composed of memory cells that store bits of data, each cell mode up of a capacitor and transistor. The capacitor holds the bit of data, a 0 or a 1, while the transistor acts as a switch that allows the control circuitry to read or change the state of the capacitor. Address bus. CPU uses an address bus to communicate with the RAM. Each memory cell is RAM has a unique address when the CPU needs to read or write data. It sends the address or required memory cell along the address bus. Number 3, types of RAM. Dynamic RAM means DRAM. This type of stores each bit of data in a separate capacitor within an integrated circuit. DRAM needs to be refreshed thousands of times per second because capacitors leak their charge, causing the data to fade. Static RAM means SRAM. SRAM uses multiple transistors, typically 4 to 6 transistors for each memory cell, and it does not need to be refreshed as frequently as DRAM. SRAM is faster and more expensive, and it is typically used for cache memory in processors. Number 4, operation. Read operation. When the CPU requests data from RAM, it sends the address of the required data. The memory controller fetches the data from the specified address and sends it back to the CPU. Write operation. When the CPU needs to store data in RAM, it sends the data along with the address where it should be stored. The memory controller then writes the data to the specified address. RAM and system performance. Capacity. More RAM allows a computer to run more applications simultaneously and handle larger files without slowing down. Speed or frequency. RAM speed measured in megahertz or gigahertz determines how fast data can be read from or written to the memory. Faster RAM can improve system performance, especially in data intensive applications. Latency. This is the delay between a command being issued and the data being available. Lower latency means faster data access. Summary. RAM is essential for the smooth operation of a computer, providing the CPU with quick access to the data it needs to process. By storing active data and program instructions, RAM enables multitasking and efficient operation, playing a critical role in the overall performance of the computer system. Okay, friends. If are you understand the RAM system, then comments in comment box about any questions. Please subscribe your channel and press bell icon for faster next information. Thanks. Bye.